I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious cabbage omelet. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of finely shredded cabbage, 2 to 3 large eggs per serving, and a small onion with 1 clove of garlic for flavor. Don't forget your favorite seasonings like salt and black pepper. This simple dish is quick to prepare and incredibly satisfying for any meal. Now, let's prepare our star ingredient, the cabbage. Finely shred about 1 cup of fresh green cabbage. Heat 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Add the shredded cabbage and sauté it until it becomes tender and slightly translucent, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Then, stir in your minced onion and garlic, cooking for an additional 2 minutes until fragrant. Next, we'll bring it all together to craft our delicious omelet. In a separate bowl, whisk 2 to 3 large eggs with a pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper until well combined. Pour this egg mixture evenly over the sautéed cabbage in your pan. Cook on medium-low heat until the edges begin to set and the center is mostly firm, which takes approximately 3 minutes. Gently fold the omelet in half and cook for 1 more minute. Finally, it's time to enjoy your perfectly cooked cabbage omelet. Carefully slide the omelet from the pan onto a serving plate. For an extra touch of freshness, garnish it with some chopped fresh herbs, such as cilantro or parsley. This versatile dish is wonderful served immediately as a light breakfast, a quick lunch, or even a satisfying dinner. Pair it with a dash of hot sauce or a crisp green salad for a complete meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.